Welcome to our third video. From the previous video, we already imported the data to the Eviews. Now we are going to estimate the data by OLS. OLS stands for the ordinary least squares. Let's recall the lesson for macroeconomics. The GDP consists of consumption, investment, government expenditure, and net export. So we are going to use OLS to estimate that how each factor impacts to GDP. Now, let's see how Eview estimate the data by OLS. First, go to the menu bar, then select Quick, then choose Estimate Equation. In the estimation setting box, go to the method and choose LS or least square. An example, choose the period that you want to estimate. From this equation, we can type in y, then spacebar, then type c, which stands for constant, then co, I, g, x, and m. You have to leave the space between each factor and then click OK. Now you will see the result. We will explain some of the major estimation results. The dependent variable is y, which means y is on the left side of the equation. Another variable will be on the right hand side of the equation, which called as independent variable. T-stats show how to show the significance of independent variable towards y. The value of t-stat in each variable should be more than absolute 2. Means that the variables are significant at 5%. The R-square will explain the overall of how all variables can explain the impact on y. In this case, 0.99 means that all the variables can explain y 99%, and the rest 1% is from the external factor that did not include in the equation. Durbin-Watson stat shows the order correlation problem. As the result came out, overall result is good except constant variable that is not significant. You can see from t-stat is less than absolute 2. So we should re-estimate the equation by without adding the constants. Now let's do the same process. Select Quick and in equation estimation type y, co, I, g, x, m. Now we can see that all the factors are significant. Now let's translate the result. The coefficient of consumption is equal to 1.18, which means that if consumption changes by 1 million, y will also increase by 1.18 million, which means that consumption and GDP have a positive relationship. But if the import increased by 1 million, the GDP will decrease by 0.58 million. This shows that import and GDP have negative relationship and show in the similar signs as the model.